What? What is up, you guys? It is your boy Matthew and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of a bracelet as well as doing a quick geography/history lesson for you guys. So class is in session. Before we get started, if you feel so inclined, go ahead and follow me on social media. I will leave a card on screen. And to help the algorithm boost up my channel as well as this video, drop a like, leave a comment, and for those of you that are new, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It'll really help me out and I greatly appreciate it. As far as it goes, this item comes from the recent collaboration between Nike and Patta on the Air Max 1 that features both the Wave as well as the Monarch colorway. Now, I don't have the shoes, I struck out on both, but what I really wanted from this collaboration was the bracelet, and I'll get into why in just a bit. Shout out to the homie Bakari for selling this to me for a super steal. I'll go ahead and leave his Instagram down below, the link to his brand as well as his website. Go ahead and buy some of his hoodies and his hats. Super high quality, definitely recommend it. I did a review right here as well. So that being said, guys, the item in question is gonna be the bracelet. So let me get into why I bought the bracelet with our quick lesson here. So Patta is a Dutch word for shoe. Patta is also a sneaker store based out of Amsterdam in the Netherlands, where of course they speak Dutch. Now, the co-founders of Patta are actually of Surinamese descent. That's important because my family is from Suriname, which is pretty cool. Also, Suriname Airways T. Was it a good airline? Not really. If you've never heard of Suriname or Suriname, I don't blame you at all. In my entire life, there's probably been 2 people who I've told it to who knew where that place was. Pretty much, it's in South America. It is formerly known as Dutch Guyana. So quick geography lesson for you guys. Any opportunity that Suriname gets to be in the spotlight, I will go ahead and take it. One of the biggest sneaker brands in the world, Nike, collabing with one of the most prominent sneaker stores, Patta, coming together and them including the Suriname flag on it is fucking mind-blowing to me, and I'm super happy about it. So I definitely have to grab the bracelet. Pretty much, it's a nice metal bracelet with 3 charms. The first charm is, of course, the Patta logo in blue on a silver emblem. The second one, of course, is going to be the Nike swoosh. And last but not least, this beautiful Suriname flag in this nice enamel type beat color. Super easy to wear bracelet. I really do love it. And my personal cultural heritage mixing with the sneaker and streetwear culture is something super cool to me, and I hold this near and dear to my heart. So I definitely had to get this bracelet by any means necessary. That being said, guys, super short and sweet. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead, drop a like down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification icon so you know when I drop another video. The fuck? Anyways, love you guys so much. Until the next time I see you guys face to face, it's been your boy Matthew. Take it easy, stay safe, peace.